Hello everybody, welcome back to our unboxing series here on YouTube. So today we're unboxing our November Silky Soaps and Shower Box. It is a spectacular fall themed box which is perfect for snuggling up with in the cold. It'll feel just like you're sitting in front of a fire and you'll just be feeling so wonderful and cozy and thankful for everything. And we have some super exciting news to share with you. We're actually featured in the current issue of Willow and Sage magazine. So if you'd like to see more info on that, we'll have it linked in the description box down below. So yes, congratulations on your decision for self-care. We are so excited to spoil you, especially with this month's goodies. So let's get into the box. So first we have our Honey Almond Artisan Soap. This is bath blessing exclusive, and it has a subtle almond scent with swirls of sweet honey and hints of warm citrus and turmeric. This soap has a very mild scent, so if you're a little bit sensitive to scents, this is the perfect soap for you, and it's perfectly balanced and it's so nice, and it has that warmth, so since we're getting into the colder weather, it's just so perfect for this time. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Next we have our new Vanilla Oatmeal Bath Crush. So this is basically a combination of bubble bath, bath bombs, and bath salts. So you just sprinkle a couple spoonfuls into your bath and it makes your bath so wonderfully hydrating and creamy, and it's just as soothing as a bath salt soak because it has vanilla and colloidal oats in it. If you love your baths and you feel like you've tried everything in the world that exists already, this is super new. I've never tried it before either. I've never even seen this kind of thing before, but I actually had a bath with it last night and it was so nice and luxurious. I love it so much, and it's kind of so satisfying when you like sprinkle into the water and then you see it just melt into the water. It's so nice. Next we have our Fall Botanicals Sachet bag. So this is a sustainably harvested bag of wonderful fall flowers, and it looks so beautiful when you sprinkle it onto your bath. But if you don't have a bath, you can actually put this into a tea bag and kind of hang it in your shower or place it on your shower rack, and you'll still get all the delicious smells of it, but in a shower instead of a bath. Next we have our Honey Almond Body Bubbles. So this is so gorgeous. I tried to get it on film as best I could. You can see how just silky and wonderful it is even just looking at the bottle. And this is a body wash that doubles as a bubble bath, so you can use it either in the shower as a body wash or squirt it into your tub as a bubble bath. Next we have a bubbling mineral bath in Pamper Rose and Camellia scent. So this is actually vegan and it's made with essential oils. So you can just sprinkle this into your bath under running water and you can like watch as your bath turns the most gorgeous shade of pink. And I don't know if it's me, but I love that the bath salts themselves are pink. I feel like it's just such a gorgeous shade of pink. And next we have our new Java Julep Body Scrub. So this is the best coffee scrub I think you will ever have. The smell, if you love going into coffee shops and smelling that rich coffee smell that when you smell it you just kind of wake up and feel invigorated, this smells exactly like that, if not even better. It's so delicious and it has a hint of mint with it, and personally I never thought mint and coffee would go together, but it's perfect. It just makes it that much more intense, but not in a bad way, not in an overpowering way. It just makes the scent deeper, if you know what I mean. This is packed with essential oils, and so all you need to do is just rub it on your skin if you're in the bath or in the shower. And fun fact, coffee scrubs tend to help a little bit with cellulite, so just another more reason to love this product. And last but not least, we have the Eucalyptus Snow Floral Body Oil Roller. So just look at how gorgeous this is. I want to use it just because looking at it makes me so happy. This is made with mint and a hint of eucalyptus and bergamot. And you just roll it on your skin after your shower or your bath, and it is so incredibly hydrating. Obviously you can see me using this as I was filming it, and it lasted for hours and hours. My skin was so hydrated. I can still feel it on my hands today, and I filmed yesterday, and it's so amazing and it's so pretty. And for our shower lovers, we have two shower steamers. First we have the Harvest Lavender and also the Deep Forest scent. And funnily enough, these can also be used as bath bombs. So if you have a shower but you're going on vacation, or if you're staying over at someone's house and they have a bath, you can just pop one of these into their bath and it will act as a bath bomb. And for those of you who opted for the Surprise Me option during checkout, which is where you can either choose to have more bath products or shower products, you can also choose the Surprise Me option. So from time to time, you will get some bath products and some shower products. So thank you all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and tell me what product you're most excited to try. The coffee scrub, I think, is winning it for me in this box just because it smells amazing. I love coffee. Coffee is I just live for coffee. So if you're like me, you will love this. And for those of you who received last month's box, leave a comment down below and tell us what your favorite product was from last month. And also one more thing that I thought would be cool to add, if there's anything that you would like to see us add to the box that you haven't seen before, let us know in the comments down below. We would love to hear it. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next month.